Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic I know you're all excited about: how to create effortlessly chic outfits for fall 2024. As the weather cools down, I totally get it. Everyone wants to feel cozy, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your style. So, if you're worried about how to stay stylish while keeping warm this season, you're in the right place. I'm here to share some amazing tips and outfit ideas that will not only keep you comfortable, but also make you look fabulous. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel empowered to put together looks that are chic, trendy, and uniquely you. We'll explore simple yet stylish combinations that you can easily recreate, no matter your personal style. And don't forget, if you have any struggles or questions about styling for the fall, drop them in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you and help you find solutions. Let's jump right in. Before we jump into the outfits, let's talk about the current fashion trends that are taking fall 2024 by storm. Staying updated with what's in vogue can really elevate your style game. One major trend this season is the return of rich, earthy tones. Think deep browns, burgundies, and olive greens. These colors not only reflect the beauty of autumn, but also add warmth to your wardrobe. Another exciting trend is layering. It's all about combining different textures and lengths to create depth in your outfits. You might want to look for oversized sweaters paired with tailored pieces or flowy skirts. This balance between structured and relaxed styles is what makes your look effortlessly chic. Don't forget about accessories. Statement belts and chunky boots are making waves this season, adding just the right touch to any outfit. I'll be referencing credible fashion sources to ensure you have the best insights. If you've heard about a trend that's caught your eye, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're excited about this fall. Let's kick things off with a classic combination: a crew neck sweater paired with high-waisted trousers. This outfit is truly a must-have in every woman's fall wardrobe. Why? Because it effortlessly blends comfort and style. When choosing your crew neck sweater, go for neutral tones like beige, white, or navy. These colors are not only versatile but also super chic. Pair it with high-waisted trousers that hug your waist and elongate your legs for that sleek silhouette we all love. This look is perfect for various occasions, whether you're heading out for brunch with friends or attending a casual meeting. You'll feel put together and stylish without being overdressed. To elevate your outfit even further, consider adding simple accessories like a minimalist necklace or small gold hoops. And if it gets chilly, you can layer with a light jacket or scarf. So, do you have a crew neck sweater ready in your closet? If so, I want to hear about your favorite ways to style it. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's move on to our second outfit, which is all about cozy chic, a sweater or jacket paired with ankle trousers. This combination is perfect for transitioning from day to night, while keeping you stylish and warm. When selecting your ankle trousers, opt for neutral colors like black, camel, or charcoal gray. These versatile shades can match just about any sweater or jacket you have in your collection. If you're going for a casual vibe, a chunky sweater will do the trick. For a more polished look, try a fitted jacket that adds structure and sophistication. What I love about this outfit is its versatility. It's casual enough for a coffee date, yet elegant enough for a semi-professional event. To elevate your look, consider adding a pair of sleek, low-heeled shoes or loafers. And don't forget to accessorize. A statement necklace or a chic scarf can add an extra pop of personality. Have you tried this combination before? I'd love to know your go-to pieces for achieving that cozy, chic look. Share your favorites in the comments below. Now let's talk about one of the easiest yet most stylish looks for fall 2024. The combination of a cozy sweater and a silk skirt. This outfit perfectly marries comfort with refined elegance. making it a go-to choice for many occasions. When selecting your sweater, opt for a soft, oversized style in neutral tones like cream, taupe, or gray. This will create a lovely contrast with the sleek texture of a silk skirt. For the skirt, rich autumn colors such as brown, beige, or burgundy can really enhance your overall look and bring warmth to your outfit. The beauty of this ensemble lies in the interplay of textures. The cozy knit of the sweater and the fluid elegance of the silk skirt create a sophisticated balance. Whether you're heading out for a casual brunch or a laid-back evening event, this outfit speaks volumes about effortless elegance. To complete the look, pair it with some stylish boots, either in suede or leather, and add minimalist jewelry like a delicate gold necklace. So, have you ever tried mixing textures like this? I'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. Next up, let's embrace the timeless charm of a striped top paired with neutral trousers. This classic combination strikes the perfect balance between casual comfort and polished elegance, making it ideal for everything from laid-back weekends to slightly more formal occasions. When choosing your striped top, opt for classic black and white stripes for a sophisticated look, or add a subtle hint of color to reflect your personal style. The beauty of this outfit is its versatility. You can easily dress it up or down depending on your plans for the day. For the trousers, select well-fitted options in neutral tones like beige, black, or white. This creates a beautifully refined look that feels both timeless and chic. To finish off the ensemble, you can choose comfortable loafers for a relaxed vibe or swap them for a pair of heels if you're aiming for something dressier. So, how do you feel about this classic pairing? Do you have a favorite striped top that you love to wear? Share your thoughts and styling tips in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. Finally, let's dive into the power of a fitted monochromatic look, elevated by a classic trench coat. This combination focuses on sleek, streamlined lines that create an effortlessly chic appearance, perfect for any occasion, from a busy day at work to a casual city stroll. When creating your monochromatic outfit, choose a single color palette that resonates with you. Whether it's classic black, deep navy, or soft beige, the key here is to ensure that each piece is tailored to perfection, giving you that polished and confident vibe. Start with a well-fitted pair of trousers and a sleek top as the foundation of your look. Layer a timeless trench coat over your outfit to add warmth and sophistication. Not only does the trench coat serve a practical purpose, but it also enhances the overall elegance of your ensemble. To add a touch of flair, consider introducing a statement handbag in a contrasting texture or color. This will elevate your outfit even further. So, what do you think about the monochromatic trend? Do you have a favorite color you love to wear? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because I love to know. Now, I want to take a moment to hear from you. Building a community around our love for fashion is so important, and I believe your voice matters. So let's make this space interactive. If you have any questions about today's outfits or styling tips, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. I'd also love to know what kind of content you want to see next. Are you interested in more styling tips or perhaps a Quanda session where I answer your burning fashion questions? Your feedback will shape our future videos, making them even more valuable for you. Let's create a supportive community where we can all share ideas and inspirations. Fashion is all about expressing yourself and connecting with others who share your passion. So don't hesitate, jump into the comments, and let's start a conversation. I can't wait to read your thoughts and suggestions. Remember, your input is what makes this channel a fun and engaging place for all of us. Let's keep the conversation going. Today, we've explored some fantastic outfits that perfectly blend comfort and style for fall 2024. Each combination we discussed not only helps you stay warm, but also allows you to express your unique fashion sense with confidence. From the classic crew neck sweater and high-waisted trousers to the elegant sweater and silk skirt, these looks are designed to make you feel effortlessly chic. Remember, layering and mixing textures can elevate even the simplest outfits into something truly special. By choosing versatile pieces in neutral tones, you can create a wardrobe that's not only stylish, but also easy to mix and match. This way, you'll save time getting ready while looking fabulous for any occasion. So, which outfit was your favorite? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried any of these combinations before? Or do you have your own unique twists? Drop your comments below and let's keep the conversation going. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us all grow our fashion game together. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found these outfit ideas inspiring and practical for your fall 2024 wardrobe. Remember, fashion is all about feeling good in what you wear and expressing your unique style. So don't be afraid to experiment with these combinations. If you enjoyed today's video and found the tips helpful, I'd love for you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What outfit resonated with you the most? Have you tried any of these looks? Your feedback not only helps me improve, but also builds our amazing community of fashion lovers. And don't forget to keep the conversation going. I want to hear your styling challenges or any questions you might have. Together, we can create a space where we inspire each other and share our love for fashion. So, stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, keep embracing your unique style. Stay warm and remember to express yourself through fashion. I can't wait to see you in the comments section.